Hi, I am Hasid Al Akmal. Today I am going to talk about what is static code analysis or program analysis and about Sonarqube. A static program analysis is the analysis of computer software that is performed without actually executing programs. The term is usually applied to the analysis performed by an automated tool, which human analysis being called program understanding, program comprehension, or code review. Then when we are talking about Sonarqube, Sonarqube is a code analysis tool. It is open source platform. Hi, I am Hastal Akmal. Today I am going to talking about static code analysis and Sonarqube. According to the Wikipedia, static program analysis is the analysis of computer software that is performed without actually executing the programs. The term is usually applied to the analysis performed by an automated tool, with human analysis being called called program understanding, program comprehension, or code review. The Sonarqube. Sonarqube is an open source platform for continuous uh, inspection of code quality. It is code analysis tool, one of the code analysis tool. It supports lots of languages. You can also be used Android development. Offers reports on duplicate code, coding standards, unit testing, etc. Record metrics history and provide evaluation graph and differential views. Provide fully automated analysis. You can integrate it with Maven and Gradle and other build tools, and also you can integrate within the Eclipse development environment. Integration you can, and also you can integrate it with external tools like Jira, Mantis, and etc., like project management tools, bug tracking tools, and other some kinds of tools. Is explainable with the use of plugins. You can add some more plugins for your purposes. This is the Sonarqube official website. You can download Sonarqube from it here. In here I would like to mention you should download Sonarqube 5.4 or something. Sonarqube is Sonarqube server, and also in here it has some related tools. From that you can download Sonarqube scanner from there. Currently I downloaded those two, Sonarqube server and Sonarqube scanner. Then I would like to extract these two in here. This is the way how to install Sonarqube in your machine. I think Sonarqube is extracted. When you are going to the Sonarqube, it has a Sonarqube folder. In that you have library folder. Sorry. Oh, sorry, it is extracting. Right now Sonarqube is extracted. Now you are going to the Sonarqube. You have Sonarqube folder. In that you have bin folder. You can go into that folder. There are so many implementations for most popular operating systems. I'm using Windows 64-bit operating system. Then I go into that. It has several files. You should, if you like to run Sonar server, you can double click on start Sonar, then it will be started. You can check is it started well by typing localhost 9000. It is the default Sonarqube port. You can change if you want that. This is the Sonarqube documentation. You can type Sonarqube analyzing, Sonarqube scanner analyzing on the Google. Then you will have this page. Then if you want to change your server URL, you can do that in here. Right, now you can see the Sonarqube. There is no projects. Then I like to start with very simple code. This is my Sonarqube channel. This is my Sonarqube scan. This is download folder. Now I like to create folder called test 1. Right, I'm creating test 1, and I like to create Java file in here. I use simple Java coding IDE called Dr. Java. Then I use simple method to get some code. Creating new Java project, simple Java application from NetBeans, because I can get code from there. Test, I write it application name test 2. I put it also in the same location down test 2, and let's get school finish. Just copying this code and paste it paste it here and remove some problems. Now I think it's cool. Now I'm going to save this file. Right, I'll save from downloads and test 1 folder. File name will be my file there should be my class name. Then I use test, so I will change it test 1, and I will save it again. Test 1, using Java file. Right, I save it. Now I can compile it. It's compiled well. Then I run it. It prints hello Hasita. It means this code is 100% working properly. Then I'm going to that folder, test1. It has test1 Java class. Now I'd like to create some text file. I'm using NetBeans, Notepad++, to do this. Closing it, right. Then if you are typing Sonarqube scanner then you will have some links analyzing Sonarqube scanner. I went to that link. It's basic, I then redirect it. Then it explains what are the features of Sonar scanner, what are the prerequisites of that. You can read those kinds of things. As usually, you know, Sonar server default running localhost 9000. If you want to change, you can change it, and you should, after that you should change this file. Then there are so many things. Usage, a simple project. There it shows some properties file called sonarproject.properties. Simply you copy those things and paste it here. Then I'm going to save that file, save as in my downloads test1 folder. This is my Java class. I put it there in this file. The most important thing is your file name should be sonarproject.properties. That is very important thing. Then you can save it, right. And I'm going to test1. There is Sonar project properties file. You should check type, especially sometimes it will be .text file. It should file Sonar project file should be a properties file type, right. Then there are some things. Sonar project key, it is the unique name for your project. Then I use my test, I use Hasita test, right. Then project name, I use something Hasita test. In the project key you can't leave spaces. Project version 1.0. Sonar source, this is very important thing. In here the properties file and your Java class in the same directory. Then I just put dot. If those two files, Java file and project file, are different places, you should give the relative path for Sonar source. Then I save it. Then I am going to get another cmd command prompt from Windows, open new window. Then this is the actual problem. Your project properties file is in test1 folder, but your Sonar scanner is in another folder, right. As the same as we extracted Sonar scanner. In there another Sonar scanner folder, there is a bin, there is a Sonar runner, right? You should run this Windows batch file, but that batch file should understand this is the Sonar project properties file. Then how can we do that? First you go to this space, just one folder. Now you are in this place. There it has Sonar project file. Now you are going to run Sonar scanner in this folder. Now you should type simply this path / Sonar runner, right? Just copy it and paste it and press enter. Now you can see it's scanning your code. Its execution is success. Now again we are moving that place called, I think, this one, localhost 9000. Still it doesn't show any projects. Now if you are refresh this Hasita test, this is my project name, Hasita test. Now it shows something version, lines of code. I have only where's Dr. Java? I have 1 2 3 4 5 lines. It shows how many lines you have in your code. Technical depth, I will explain what is the technical depth. It shows now you can see what is technical depth: total effort to fix all the issues on your component and therefore to comply to all the requirements, right? Last analysis, now when its time shows when I am going to technical depth, now I am going to Hasita test project. Again it shows so many things. Quality gate is passed, but it has 50-minute technical depths and 3 issues. But you can have some confusion. That code is run very well, right? We start running, it's running, right? But Sonarqube says it has 3 issues, right? If you are click this 3, you can see what are the issues. Those are the issues. It has 2 major issues and 1 minor issues. As usually in our code, we don't like to keep these kinds of issues, blocker issues, critical issues and major issues. We should resolve them, and it's not a big issue about minor issues, but if we can fix those minor issues, then it's better. Those issues will clearing, right? Now I'm going to this issue. It shows a major issue. It is open, not assigned, and something to tell some information about that issue. If you are click this, you can see like this introduction about that issue. It shows public is add a private constructor to hide to implicit public ones. My code is like this. It has public constructor, right? But you should have some private constructor. It shows the non-compliant code example and compliant solution. If your code is like this, you should change it to like this way, right? Then now I am going to again Dr. Java, and I'm typing, I do it here and paste it, private test2 is my private constructor. Control C, copy and paste it here, right? It should be a test1 because class name is test1. Then again I save it and compile. It's compiled. Then I run, it's working. Now again I'm going to run Sonar scanner. Right, execution success. Now again I'm click Sonarqube, then I'm going to root of the Sonarqube. Now you can see technical depth is minimized. Earlier it shows 50 minutes, now it shows 20 minutes. Now I click my project. Now there is only 2 issues, right? Like that way you can change your code. If you see where is your code problem in your code, you can click, sorry, I'm going to my project, then I'm clicking issues. If you have lots of lots of codes, I mean you have 1000 lines of code, then you sometimes you will have problem, where is that issue. Then in here some arrow, you can see some arrow key. If you are clicking that arrow key, you can see in which file, in which line that problem will be right. Then I think you can understand how to use Sonarqube with simple project, right? This is the very basic things in the Sonarqube, but I am not stopping there, right? As usually we know, Eclipse and NetBeans are the most popular development IDEs for Java. Then sometimes you want to use this kind of you want to integrate Sonarqube with those kinds of projects. Now I am going to integrate Sonarqube with this. Simply you we will see simply how we can do this. I am just copying Sonar project. I'm going to my test2, it means NetBeans project. Then I am going to src, right? Then I am paste it here, my Sonar project, right? First I paste it here, right? Now you should change your project key because it should be unique, right? Then I will change my root into here, right? Sorry, cd, right? Now I am in the NetBeans project. Then I simply run my Sonar scanner, right? So scanning, execution success. Now when you when you are click Sonarqube, so when you are clicking Sonarqube, you have two projects, Hasita Test 2. It shows some two issues, right? You can understand how to resolve them and other things, right? This is actually not a good way to do this. If you are seeing the documentation, your project can be multi-module project. Then it has some modules. We create I remove all these things, right, and I create Java package Hasita 1, right. Another package Hasita 2, right, and creating Java project, Java class called Hasita1, right, and this name Hasita1, and create another class called Hasita2, right, 2, right, and it's enough, I think, right. Now you have two modules and two Java classes in separated folders. Now how you can solve this problem? You have two ways. This is the first way. You can put Sona project.properties file at the source folder and do it, and or you can put Sona project.properties file into several places and integrate with the with one Sona project.properties file. I am using first way and I am copying this. I'm going to this is my test2 project folder. Delete this. I think it's using some other application. Now this right. Now I think we can right. It's okay. I'll paste this and I'm going to save it on my test2 source in here, right. As you know, project file should Sona project.properties, then I'll save it. I change my project key Hasita 3, right. Hasita Pro 3, right, version 1. Now you should mention what are the modules you are using. I'm using Hasita 1 and Hasita 2. Then I change this Hasita 1. I think it's simple. No, yeah, simple, right. Then I copy, paste it and change the module names. Hasita 1 module, Sonarqube project name. I'm giving the same name. right, again module, and again same name because it's easy, right. Now I think you can see this is the place Sona project properties file is placed. Now you should move onto that place before running Sona scanner. Right now I am in that place, then I am running Sona scanner. Oh, it's failed. What is the problem? All right. Uh, Now I am in src folder, right. uh, then it should be a dot, right. Now I think you can have some idea. The Sona source is the relative path according to the properties file. Now again I run my Sona scanner. Right. Right, execution success. Again I'm going to my Sonarqube and I run it. Now you can see Hashita's project. I'm going into that. It has 6 issues, right. No many issues, right. I'm going to this. You can see in which module, which file, which line that issue will pop up. Right now I think you can understand how to resolve those things. Simply you should do click here and it shows what is the non-compliant code and what will be the compliant solution. Your code is like this way, you should change it to like this way. That is the simplest explanation, I think. Then as previous, you can manage those kinds of things. It's using term command line and running these kinds of code. I think it's not a cool way, right. It has installing Sonarqube in Eclipse. I think there are so many tutorials on the web related to the installing Sonarqube in Eclipse. Therefore, I'm not going to explain very much about Sonarqube installing in Eclipse. Simply you should copy this URL and you can go Java Eclipse help install new software and paste it here. Then you can see Sonarqube Eclipse integration plugin, then click it, and also Sonarqube Eclipse optional configuration helps, then just click it and right click next, and you can do what you are needed, right. Then I'm going to talking about how we can integrate Sonarqube with NetBeans. It's there are very few tutorials on the web. I think I didn't show any video tutorial about this. If I am right click in here, I can't see anything related to the Sonarqube, right. You should first you should download this plugin, Radar NetBeans plugin. Radar is a plugin for Java projects to navigate Sonarqube issues right from NetBeans IDE, right. I downloaded that one, my download folder, right. This is the plugin, Radar NetBeans plugin. Then I'm going to tools, plugins, then I like to I'm going to download it, add plugins. This is my plugin, then I'm click open, right, I click install, next I accept, install, continue, restart IDE. Right, my IDE will be restarting. As you know, Sonarqube supports every languages. It supports different tools. Mm, when you are going to github.com Sona examples, you can download a zip file from here. I download that, I think, Sona example master. I extract it, right? Just extracting. My NetBeans project is ID is restarted. Now I am right clicking on my project. Now you can see about some details on Sonarqube, right? I will show how to use this. This is the extracted file. Now when you are going to projects, it has, you can select language. There are so many languages. You can see Java. It has Maven project. I am going to open that Maven project from my NetBeans. Master, yeah, this is the place. Sample master projects, languages, Java. There are few 1 2 3 4 5 Java projects. I'm using Maven project. Then I'm open it. It will take some few seconds. It's opening, right? This is the project, sample project. Now there is some module, right? Now I'm going to clean build. And this is the Maven project. I think using those kinds of those projects, you can get clear idea how to integrate with Maven and to other build tools. Then I'm going to get issues with Sonarqube. I'm running Sonarqube on this project. And it is successful. Now you can see issues. Major issues. I think it has some one major issue, right? It shows what is the issue, what is the rule and other things in here. Sonarqube in here, then you can read this things and you can fix that bug. Now I think you have better idea how to using Sonarqube with different IDEs. Now I'm going to tell something more than about Sonarqube. Sonarqube IDE. In this you can log in. Now what are the I'm saving it. as default you can log into your system using admin for username and password, then login. Right, after logging as admin you can do something like that, right? Administration, right? This is the place. There are, you can do several kinds of administration. Just I like to talking about few things much important. Update center, this is very important thing. Sonarqube is by default uh, using by default for Java. If you want to uh, analyze PHP code, then you should type here PHP installed available and type PHP. It shows it's not installed. If you want to analyze PHP code, you should install it, right? Right, it is installed. You should restart the Sonarqube to do this. I'm not going to restart and run the Sonarqube for PHP because it is same as about thing Java thing. Now I think you have some idea. It's not only for PHP. If you like to integrate it with GitHub, you can use this plugin and integrate it with GitHub, right? I think now you have some better idea what is update center. As I mentioned, Sonarqube is supporting many languages, many tools, but you should integrate those technologies with this system update center, right? Then I'm going to security part. Users, you can create user, login, IQ Hasita, then Hasita Lakmal, then I give my email and password, then create, right? This image is captured from my Gmail account. Then you have another user called Hasita, right? If you are like to create groups, you can do that, and you have some doing management on projects, and you have some admin privileges to manage this. Then I'm going to talk about dashboards, manage dashboards. I'm going here, sorry, I'm clicking configure widgets. Now this is my dashboard. I'm clicking configure widgets. Now I like to see complexity in my projects. I'm selecting Hasita Pro 3 and save. Right, now I'm going to again my dashboard. It shows how much complexity it has in Hasita Project 3. Right, like that way you have several widgets for adding your dashboards This is the preview of your dashboard. This is the available widgets for your dashboard, and you can change the way it shows your widgets. Like that way you can customize your Sonarqube dashboards. I think then rules for Java, it has, I think, 339 rules by default. By default, they uh, using. If you don't like some rule, you can remove that, or you can create a manual rule for your company purpose, according to your company purposes. You can create quality profiles. It's using Sonaway default quality profile, right? Then quality gates, you can create quality gates. You can see uh, see what you can see in here, what is the quality gate, and you can do it in your way, right? I think this is the brief introduction for Sonarqube. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.